Hello children, we already have started with the chapter The Constitution of India, and in today's class we'll be doing preamble and what does the preamble explains. Okay, we'll be doing this. Now you have to know that our constitution begins with the preamble. Okay, the constitution begins with the preamble. And it is very important part of our constitution. But still the question remains that only that what is preamble? So it is a short introduction to the constitution. What is preamble? A short introduction to the constitution. Okay, so it is like a preface of the book. It sheds light on the source, nature, aims, and objective of our constitution. Then you have to remember that preamble is non-justiciable, which means that it cannot be enforced in a court of law. It cannot be enforced on a court of law means we cannot go to court of law seeking help if some of the objectives mentioned in preamble are not fulfilled. We cannot go to court of law, any court of law, if the objective mentioned in our preamble are not fulfilled. So it is non-justiciable. The preamble begins with the word we, the people of India. It implies that the people of India are the source of our constitution. The next which you have to remember that the preamble defines the Indian state as a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic and republic. So let us know that what these words mean. Now, meaning of sovereign. What is the meaning of sovereign? India is a sovereign country. It means we are free from foreign power. Means we were under the British rule. Now we are free from the British rule. No foreign power is ruling over India. It means that India is an independent nation. And no country can interface, not interface, no country can interfere. It's not interface, it is interfere in her internal or external matter. No country can interfere. Okay, in her internal or external matter means it is free from the foreign power and no country can interfere in her internal or external affair. Now, socialist. Now, when I was teaching you about the constitution, I said when the country constitution was adopted, at that time India was declared only sovereign, democratic and republic. Now you see these two new words, socialist and secular. These two new words were added to our preamble in 1976 via 42nd Amendment Act. So which are the two new words which were added to our preamble? It was socialist and secular. So today we have preamble defines India as a sovereign nation, secular, socialist nation, secular, democratic and republic. So this you have to remember that which are the two words added to the preamble in 1976 via 42nd Amendment Act. So it is socialist and secular. The Preamble of India after 42nd Amendment Act of 1976 declares India as a socialist state. What does it mean? The purpose of this is to provide equal opportunities to all the citizens of the country in all fields and eliminate inequality regarding income and status. The next word which was also added in the to the preamble in 1976 via 42nd Amendment Act was secular. So India became a secular country. The preamble declares that India is a secular state. It means that Indian state does not support any particular religion. All religion enjoys equal recognition, equal respect. We do not support any particular religion in our country. This means secular state. The next is democratic. The preamble states that India is a democratic state. Democracy is a form of government where the people regime supreme. So this means the supreme power lies in the people collectively and it is administered by them or by the person selected by them. And the next is republic. Our preamble declares India to be a republic. You know that our country became republic in 1950. This I taught to you, no? When the constitution was adopted, our country was also declared a republic country, sovereign democratic republic. So India became a republic country in 1950. Means in republic, the president is the head of the country and he or she is indirectly elected by the people for a fixed term of 5 years. So, in today's class, I explained to you about the meaning of preamble. Then I also explained that preamble is non-justiciable means we cannot go to a court of law seeking help if some of the objectives mentioned in our preamble are not fulfilled. Then I said that the preamble defines India as a state, as a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic. Then I explained to you sovereign means India is an independent nation and no country can interfere in her internal or external affairs. Which are the two new words which were added to the preamble? So, socialist and secular in 1976 via 42nd Amendment Act. After that, democracy is a form of government wherein the people regime supreme. And India is also a republic nation where we have the president, he is the head of the country and he or she is indirectly elected by the people for a term of 5 years. So please learn. Thank you.